So now let's see how we can work around with shape color gradient option inside of design file inside of Figma. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and bring in a shape. Let me just go around, bring in an ellipse right here. And by default, you got this gray color right here. You can go around onto the right side and under the fill setting, you can click here and choose the color you want. And by default, solid color is applied. But if you don't want just a solid color and if you want to add in a gradient, on the place where it says solid, you have to click here. And here you can see you can choose different options. You can choose linear right here. And now what happens is that there's a linear gradient. You can click and drag around the spots right here. And you can see that you can adjust the gradient over here. So here you can see that there's a gradient right here from this color to this color. You can also go around, add in a color and choose a different color of your choice. Right now, there is transparency being applied. So I'm going to pull this up, click on this as well, and I'm going to pull up the transparency. So here you can choose the color right here and then adjust the gradient, as you can see by clicking on these points. You can also click and drag the points over here, as you can see. So here is the pinpoint right here. You can move this around to change the angle of the gradient on the shape as well, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with linear gradient. Besides linear gradient, you can go around, choose radial gradient as well. So which is more like radial setting, as you can see right here. You can click and drag this around. You can resize this and so forth. You can also click and drag to change around the size, as you can see. You can push this right here. So you can kind of make like a galaxy, as you can see right here. Let me just change the color to white and there you go. There's a galaxy right here. So just like this, you got a galaxy right here, as you can see. Let me just choose around yellow right here, just like that. And over here, besides radial, you also have angular right here, which is a different type of radial gradient right here, as you can see, and it's more based on angle. Similarly, you can go around, have a diamond shape gradient over here as well. So now you can choose around, add in a color right here, just like this, and then there you go. So you can go around and then choose around different colors right here, and you can select this and press delete to delete out the gradient over here as well. So that is how you can work around with shape color gradient options inside of design file inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.